Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys, we're going to be polishing the wheels on this Audi A1. This is going to be a part of our restoration series. Now the wheels are slightly neglected, it's faded, they're scratched as well. I just want to restore a bit of gloss and shine on these wheels. We're going to be using Meguiars Ultimate Compound, which is a highly abrasive polish, and I'm also going to be using a cordless drill with a pad attachment. The wheels have been deep cleaned prior. However, Audi wheels are notorious for their soft brake pads, so to speak, and they kick out a lot of brake dust, so I had to wipe down the wheel once more. And you can see the wheels are quite faded, and we're going to start the process with a clean pad. It's been used before, but it is clean. These are cheap Amazon pads, and it's pretty much disposable at this price range. I primed the pad with polish and using a microfiber towel to work in the polish into the pad. Start off very slow to work in the polish into the surface of the wheel. Now I don't apply a lot of pressure, and I have to be very aware for the drill not to touch the other spokes and potentially damaging them, so it requires a lot of awareness, or just being very attentive in this scenario. Now what's cool about using a cordless drill, well, first of all, it's very cheap, and second of all, you can hit a lot of, pretty much every angle on this wheel specifically. It will all depend on the design of the wheel. And I'm using 3 pads simply because after about 3 or 4 spokes, the pad gets very contaminated, so I don't clean it on the spot. I just switch to another one, clean them after, or might even throw them away if they're highly neglected. These are quite cheap, so they're pretty much disposable. So when you're working with these intricate areas, I wouldn't recommend using a lot of pressure, but what is very important, more than pressure and pad sort of softness, is the time you're working on the surface. So I typically work about 30 to 40 seconds per side of the spoke, and yes, it may take a long time. It takes me about probably an hour just to get one wheel polished. I do it in several sessions, by the way, so it takes a lot of time, but the end results are worth it to me anyway. Now this whole process can be done by hand using the same compound. However, it's very labor intensive, and to get the same results, you will have to spend more time and more effort. Now you saw me guys buffing the wheels pretty much after each spoke. However, just to make sure there are no leftovers of compound or polish, whatever you want to call it, I use a QD just to remove any residue and leave a little bit of protection behind. So these are the finishing result, guys. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.